Okay, today we will introduce how this RC is working. When we use the drone, we always see a picture like this. It record uh, it marked different it marked different buttons, levers, and the sticks function. So when you use the RC to operate the drone, you can you just need to remember all the levers and the buttons function. Then when the drone is working, you send a different command by operate the levers, buttons, and other things on the RC. Today we will introduce how this RC is working. Uh, Please see here. Today we use this device to introduce the control signal between the control signal in the drone system. I take this RC and this receiver, okay, and I link the two wire in this RC's channel 3. Channel 3 usually control the drones. We usually arrange channel 3 to control the drone's throttle. Throttle control the motor's spin speed. This is RC. We use in Model 2 RC American hand. We use left sticks up and down to send different command from the RC by the signal to the receiver. Then from the receiver's port 3 send to our working device. You can see now I can moving this stick from its bottom, the throttle stick from bottom to top. What is happened by moving the stick? Please see this screen. Okay. Here have a voice. In our training, we usually see the drone use a PWM format signal to send different information. The PWM signals command actual value from 1,100 to 100 from 1,100 to 1,900. So now I link them together to show you this voice, this part. Please notice on this part. Now the stick is in the bottom. While moving, you see it's grow from short grow to long. I move it again. You see, this is top moving to bottom, and here is voice. Okay, it's this voice value when the stick is at the bottom, the value is 1105. This is the PWM's bottom value. Then I move in this stick, I push it to the bottom. This value reached to 1940. So this is what happened when I'm moving this stick. And here the West, this lines is used for the actual command value when I'm moving this stick. What this RC system transmit out and here receive and send to the flight controller. So I use this throttle as an example. In this receiver, it can directly output 7 channels from channel 1 to channel 2's control from channel 1 to channel 2's control command. That means when I'm moving the stick to moving the two stick to other directions, or moving other levers or buttons, if they control the one channel from 1 to 7, you can then you use this device to measure that channel's output signal. You will get the same wave, same electric wave. Actually, the PWM command. Okay, so please remember, when I'm moving this stick, it can continue moving. So this used for signal slants is changing also continually. Okay, it can changing continually from 1100 to 100 and from 1100 to 1900. That's because it can moving continually. Now I show please imagine another thing. For example, this lever has 3 locations. Now this is lever SB. Now I will use use the 3 location lever to control the SIM channel, which I just showing. We change another channel. Okay, now I will set a 3 location lever to control channel 5. Then we measure channel 5 on this receiver. Okay, channel 5. Okay, now I finish the setting. Then I moving this 2 measure point to channel 5. Okay, you can see here is still actual running effect command value. Now I move in this this SB lever. You can see this when I'm moving this 3 location lever, the value is jumping with my moving. That mean that why this happens, because the mechanic structure is different. This stick can moving continually, so when you're moving this stick, it sends out a continual command value. This lever it just has 3 location, so it can only stop in this 3 location. Then the matched channel can only send out three command value, which matched with this 3 stop 3 3 working location. Okay, that's different. So okay. Then we can we stop what sorry. Then we stop watching the signal strip from this device, but we use another thing. This is the server. We use this server instead of the device to show the different to show the different command effect when I use this when they receive different different value of control signals. Okay. Now I link this server into channel 5. I just set you the 3 location lever to control this server. Now I can only send out 3 different command value. So you can see by moving the SB lever, it can only stop in this 3 location. If I right now, if I want this server stopped in one location between these 3 locations, sorry, I can't do it. But now I change it port. I put it on channel 3. Okay. Then channel 3 controlled by the throttle stick. It can moving continually. So I can move it. I can control this server continually by moving the throttle stick. Okay. So this is how the RC system working. RC all the RC channel they send the same format of signal, but because we have some stick and button, they can send continuous command value in our control, and we also have the stick the levers, 2 location lever or 3 location lever. This kind of lever can send 2 or 3 command value in one channel. Then We also have in this picture, we also have this kind of buttons. This usually we think one button have two locations, off and on. So it can send if the button working like our thought, then it can only send out two values. But in the in our RC, this button have three working styles. One is button off, one is button on, and we have another working styles. Is we press the button for a long time, then the button's light will flash continually. That means the button can working that means the button working on the third styles. So the button can also send out three kind of command value. A modern RC can set four different stick mode 1, 2, 3, 4, and it can set use different button. It can set the different control relationship between the buttons and different control channels. So that means, for example, I can use this is A, B channel, button A, button B, C, and D. Actually, if I want, I can set any one of them to control, for example, to control channel 5, to control channel 6, because channel 5, channel 6, and so on. Because from channel 1, this RC can send out totally 12 control channel. So this RC can control 12 different functions in the same time. All the we use one channel. If we talk with one channel, its command value is from 1,100 to 1,900. All the channels is the same. So different we can set the relationship between the buttons, the sticks, and the levers, and the different channels they control. Then we set a relationship. We set another relationship on the flight controller. It's the different channels with different functions. So this is two step in the control relationship to determine which button control what button control what kind of function. Okay, step 1, which button control what channel from channel 1 to channel 12, and in the flight controller side, which channel control which function. This is step 2. By these 2 steps, finally we set this lever control the drones working mode. So actually, in our drones setting, on the RC we set lever E to control channel 5 signal. Then in the flight controller side, channel 5 control the drone's flight mode. So the result is E lever control drone's working mode, manual mode, GPS mode, and AB mode. So in the same way, this is lever G. Lever G control channel 7, and in the flight controller side, channel 7 control pump. So the final relationship is lever G control the drone's pump. This is a 3 location. It is a 3 location lever. So the pump stance is off, auto, or manual. This is how the drone's RC is work. How the drone's RC working. Different even the RC is looking very different from outside. For example, this is TTA's T12 RC. It is only an RC. If you want to do the setting on it, you have to use an Android device. And right now we use another RC. It have a screen. It have a screen with it, and you can run the drone control app on that kind of RC, or maybe you use another kind. You use a drone from other companies, but all the RCs, they are working in this logic. Okay, so that is all I want to introduce to you. So I repeat it rapidly. One RC can control many channels, and each channel's effect value is from 1,100 to 1,900. We can set the RC use buttons, 3 location levers, 2 location levers, and sticks. Each one control one channel's control signal. And after a certain channel's control signal is controlled, then we can set this channel to control different function in the flight controller side. This is the RC's working logic.